My sister, seeing yourself in a lot of problems and you find yourself in a condition that you don't like, doesn't mean that you go and do a source of things, an evil thing to go and make money. There's people that they are rich today, that have money, that have a lot of money today. They face a lot of things in life, and after everything, after they go there, God bless them. They are not full. They are a human being like you. So if you say that it's because of I don't have anybody that will help me, it's because of I don't need somebody that will help me, that is why what to do now, that is why I try to just do this small work where they get money for street. You are what? You are a fool. You are mad. You the colony. It's because I don't have anybody. That's why nobody is caring for me. That's why my brothers and sisters, they are suffering in the village. That's why you will do I shall go. Is it because you don't have any reason to give? My dear, you don't have any reason. Because you know why I'm saying this? There's a lady I see. She's just running mad. It's because of nobody's to help me. That is why I joined I shall walk. She joined a shower work because she want to do it. Don't say that it's condition that give you a right to go and do something that is evil, that you know that this thing is evil. That people condemn that this thing is not good. You decided to go and do it because you don't have anybody to come assist you. You don't have anybody to help you. I will tell you there are some certain things in life that you don't need to do to make money that will lead you in problems that will not even come out. That money you are making, everything will vanish overnight. Are you hearing what I'm saying? So if you say that is the condition you are, because you have a lot of things in life that you need to do and make money, not even to go and run girl in the street before you make money. It's not. You are not the only one that have been in a condition. All of us, we are in that condition. If I tell you my own, you will not even like to hear it for a day. But I never keep even right to do it. I keep on praying and keep on asking for God for the grace to bless. I know that one day He will do it. Because you love it. That is why you are doing it. Don't say that it's condition. You want to do it. It's from your heart. You willingly want to go and do it. That is why you are doing it. Don't say that it's because of condition you are. It is a lie. Many thousands of ladies over here, they are doing a wrong girl today. It's not because of condition. It's because they want to do it. Let me tell you the truth. They want to just live a bad life. They want to just live a fake life. They want to just open their leg here and there. They want to just sleep with different men and make money and drive cars and buy iPhone 13 Pro Max and buy iPhone 12, iPhone 11. They say 500,000, 1 million, 3 million. A young lady. After you tell me in a condition, you go be on scared, they useless to your life. They drink from here to here, from club to club. After you say, please God forgive me, I don't know. You don't know what? Something that you know that this thing is no good, and if your heart is disturbing you, you know that this thing I'm doing is very wrong. That no, this thing I'm doing now, oh my goodness. Because you have feelings in your heart that this thing I'm doing is not good though. You have a choice to leave it. Because there is some certain thing. What of girls that their parents born today, many of them die, they don't even know them. They are there hustling and make their money today. Are they not human beings? Are they not a lady like you? My sister, leave that office. That office is not good for you. God needs you, need your heart to come closer to Him, I believe all those things we are facing today will end. Please, 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 as you are hearing my voice, I want you to share this video so that others will hear it. Yeah? God bless you. Thank you.